just wanted to get on here and show you how to reclaim on ThredUP. First, I'm going to go into the app on your phone, and you will just click on the items that you want to reclaim, and there's a reclaim link at the bottom. So yes, I want my item back. And then you'll go to the next item. And click reclaim as well. Super easy on your phone. And it shows that it's in your cart, because it will be until you check out. And just go to the next. Keep doing the same until you do all of your reclaims. And the next, I'll show you how to do it from the website. You'll go to the bag that you want to reclaim, and you click on it, and you'll scroll, and you'll see which ones can be reclaimed, and you'll click on those, and you'll add it to your cart. Super easy here as well. Keep adding it to your cart. I have the rest of these that I need to reclaim. Just keep adding to your cart. You need to reclaim your items before they expire, or else the items are the property of ThredUP. And as you can see, the few that we did reclaim from the phone app are already on there in my cart. So you just go into your cart and start the checkout process. Shipping is $5.99 to ship it back to you, but you do have options, such as if you'll scroll up, there'll be a redeem points button at the top, and you can click that. You do earn points with their rewards program by sending a clean out kit, making any types of purchases, or anything like that. So I like to take advantage and use free shipping, so I don't have to pay to send it back to myself. Click redeem points. It's 350 points for the free shipping code, and then you'll copy code and check out. And then it shows that you do have free shipping now, and it doesn't cost anything to come back to you that way. Now you do have the bundle and buy feature, which is a 7-day bundle feature, but I'm kind of an instant gratification kind of gal, and I like to do it and get it over with. There's also something I forgot to do that I want to mention, but you need to up your prices back up to the max of 80% off the retail, because if they lose your items before shipping it back to you, or it does get lost in transit back to you, they will pay out that full max price. So up your prices back up. I just wanted to say thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.